What if one of Honda's most forgotten adventure motorcycles suddenly became the hottest retro comeback story of the decade? A machine that disappeared from the spotlight years ago is now creating fresh buzz among collectors, custom builders, and adventure enthusiasts alike. The Honda XL500 is proving that true legends never really die, they simply wait for the right moment to roar back into the conversation. And right now, that moment may have finally arrived. This classic dual-sport icon is attracting attention in ways few people expected, and the excitement surrounding Honda's heritage lineup is growing faster than ever. The motorcycle industry has been embracing retro-inspired machines at an incredible pace. Riders are looking for bikes that combine timeless styling with authentic character instead of chasing pure horsepower numbers. That's exactly why conversations around the Honda XL500 continue gaining momentum across enthusiast communities. Honda has been investing heavily in preserving its legendary history while expanding its adventure motorcycle lineup with modern technology. Although there has been no official announcement confirming a new XL500 revival, renewed interest in vintage Honda models has sparked endless speculation among fans who believe the company could revisit one of its forgotten classics. Heritage motorcycles are becoming more valuable every year, and collectors are paying close attention to clean examples that rarely appear on the market. The demand for classic adventure motorcycles is also being fueled by younger riders discovering machines that offer raw mechanical simplicity and unmistakable personality. Unlike today's electronics-packed motorcycles, the XL500 represents an era when riders relied on skill, balance, and confidence. That authentic riding experience is exactly what many enthusiasts are searching for today. Across auctions, enthusiast forums, and restoration workshops, vintage Honda dual sports continue generating strong interest. Restorers are investing thousands of dollars bringing these motorcycles back to factory condition, while custom builders are transforming them into stunning scramblers and adventure-inspired creations that blend old-school charm with modern craftsmanship. Meanwhile, Honda's broader adventure motorcycle family continues expanding worldwide, keeping the brand at the center of conversations about exploration and reliability. Every new adventure model Honda introduces reminds riders of the machines that built its reputation decades ago. That's why the XL500 keeps resurfacing in discussions whenever motorcycle enthusiasts debate which forgotten Honda deserves another chance. The nostalgia is real, and the demand appears stronger than many industry experts predicted. Now let's talk about what's happening inside dealerships and the collector marketplace. Since the Honda XL500 is no longer in production, you won't find brand new examples sitting inside local Honda showrooms. Instead, dealerships specializing in vintage motorcycles and certified pre-owned classics are reporting increasing interest whenever a well-preserved XL500 becomes available. Clean motorcycles often sell quickly because buyers understand how difficult it has become to locate original examples with matching components and documented history. Prices have also climbed steadily over the past few years. Restored motorcycles in excellent condition are commanding noticeably higher values than they did only a short time ago. Limited supply continues pushing demand upward, especially among collectors who believe classic Honda adventure motorcycles will become even more desirable in the future. Financing options through specialty motorcycle dealers have also made vintage ownership more accessible for enthusiasts looking to own a genuine piece of Honda history instead of purchasing another modern motorcycle. Ocular originality has become another major talking point. Collectors place a premium on motorcycles wearing authentic factory paint schemes, while professionally restored examples finished in original Honda colors continue attracting strong attention. Special custom builds inspired by the XL500 are also appearing at motorcycle exhibitions, proving that this forgotten machine still inspires creativity decades after its original release. That's the mark of a true legend. Many enthusiasts are now hoping Honda could eventually celebrate its heritage by introducing a modern motorcycle inspired by the XL series. While there is no official confirmation, the growing popularity of retro motorcycles across the global market keeps those dreams alive. If Honda ever decides to revive the spirit of the XL500 with updated engineering, today's excitement could become tomorrow's reality. Until then, the original Honda XL500 remains something special. It represents adventure before adventure motorcycles became mainstream. It reminds riders that simplicity, durability, and character never go out of style. Some motorcycles are remembered, others become legends. The Honda XL500 has quietly become both, and judging by the growing excitement surrounding classic Honda machines, its story is far from over. Keep your eyes on this icon, because forgotten legends have an incredible way of making unforgettable comebacks.